Welcome to English Trisence. Starting a new job is exciting, but it can be scary. Don't worry. Today, we will learn 50 simple sentences to help you survive your first week. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's build your confidence together. Group 1. Greetings. Listen and repeat. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I am the new employee. I am the new employee. This is my first day. This is my first day. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. Who should I talk to about this? Who should I talk to about this? What is your role here? What is your role here? Can you tell me your name again? Can you tell me your name again? I'm still learning everyone's names. I'm still learning everyone's names. Where is my desk? Where is my desk? I am ready to start. I am ready to start. Group 2. Office basics. Keep going. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? How do I use the printer? How do I use the printer? What is the Wi-Fi password? What is the Wi-Fi password? Is there a cafeteria here? Is there a cafeteria here? Where can I find a pen? Where can I find a pen? How do I log in to my computer? How do I log in to my computer? Where is the break room? Where is the break room? Can I drink water here? Can I drink water here? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? What time is lunch? What time is lunch? Group 3. Asking for help. It's okay to ask. Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? Could you repeat that slowly? Could you repeat that slowly? I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. What does this word mean? What does this word mean? How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? I'm sorry, I'm still learning. I'm sorry, I'm still learning. Can you show me how to do this? Can you show me how to do this? Am I doing this correctly? Am I doing this correctly? I have a question. I have a question. Thank you for explaining that. Thank you for explaining that. Group 4. Meetings and work. Stay focused. What time is the meeting? What time is the meeting? I am joining the call now. I am joining the call now. I'm just listening today. I'm just listening today. Could you explain this point? Could you explain this point? I will take notes. I will take notes. Should I send an email? Should I send an email? I will finish this today. I will finish this today. When is the deadline? When is the deadline? I am working on it. I am working on it. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. Group 5. End of the day. Well done. I'm leaving for the day. I'm leaving for the day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a nice evening. Have a nice evening. Thank you for your help today. Thank you for your help today. Is there anything else I can do? Is there anything else I can do? I had a great first day. I had a great first day. See you Monday. See you Monday. Take care. Take care. It was nice working with you. It was nice working with you. I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon. Fantastic! You just learned 50 sentences to help you at work. Remember, repetition is the key. Watch this video again tomorrow to keep learning. If you liked this lesson, please follow English Trisence for your daily English essence. I'm Asma, and I'm proud of you. Goodbye.